Honor V30 series is all set to go official on November 26th in China, and being the flagship smartphone of Huawei's Honor subsidiary, it is expected to come loaded with top-of-the-list hardware and some interesting features. Ahead of the phone's debut, Honor has released a couple of video teasers, one of which indicates that the Honor V30 will pack triple rear camera setup. Additionally, the Vice President of Honor's business division has shared a camera sample of the Honor V30 to drum up some hype for the phone, which is tipped to pack a 60-megapixel main sensor. Now talking about the video teaser, the first one shows the close-up of a phone's camera module that houses 3 lenses, and the vertical orientation of the camera sensor and the shape of the camera module is quite similar to what we have already seen in Samsung Galaxy M30s. Separately, a new image leak of the Honor V30 series has been spotted on Weibo, and it only shows the back panel of the phone. The phone is seen to sport a quad camera setup with 3 sensors sitting vertically in a line, one below the other, and 1 sensor sitting on the side right above the flash. The Honor V30 was recently teased to sport a triple rear camera setup in the teaser video. Therefore, this quad camera setup could be the Honor V30 Pro. The Honor V30 Pro variant has leaked in the past as well, and it is expected to sport a 60-megapixel rear camera setup. In terms of design, the V30 series will be very similar to the predecessor, with a tall LCD panel on the front and a punch hole notch for the front camera. The Honor V30 will have a pill-shaped notch with 2 selfie cameras. The fingerprint scanner was notably missing from the back, and considering that the display is an LCD panel, the fingerprint scanner is likely to be on the side, embedded in the lock button. Rumors suggest that the Honor V30 Pro will sport a 60-megapixel primary camera with a camera matrix photography algorithm. The cameras are set to include a 20-megapixel ultra-wide camera, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 3D time-of-flight depth sensor. The regular V30 will supposedly go with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with a macro shooter and a depth sensor. The battery is said to have a capacity of 4200 mAh with support of 40-watt fast charging as well as wireless charging. Lastly, SlashLeak has posted a Honor V30 and Aston Martin poster indicating an imminent arrival of Honor's V30 Aston Martin edition. The poster has both the brand's name plastered on top, the smartphone outline at the back, and Aston Martin car up front. There is no word on whether this variant will launch at the November 26 launch event in China or at a later date. So guys, are you excited for the Honor V30? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.